To achieve a high score in Block Blast, a strategy focused on planning and efficiency is key. So start by carefully analyzing the board at the beginning of each level. Take a moment to spot larger clusters of similar colored blocks and focus on clearing them first. This approach makes creating more space and increases your chances of generating bigger combos later on. So next, prioritize making chain reactions. When you match several blocks in a row, it can set off a cascade of moves that clears multiple blocks at once. This not only helps to score higher, but also keeps the board organized, preventing it from becoming too cluttered. Now, another important tactic is to use power-ups wisely. Save them for moments when you're stuck or when a particular tough situation, a tough cluster of blocks is blocking your progress. Timing the use of power-ups strategically can be the difference between a decent score and a high score. Consistency is also crucial. Stay focused on the task and resist rushing through the game. Each move should be deliberate, aiming to maximize your points while clearing as many blocks as possible. Lastly, practice makes perfect, so as you play more, you're going to start to notice patterns and become faster at identifying the best moves, leading to consistently higher scores. All right? Let me know if this helped.